Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. This isn't the best beach day out here on Lake Michigan. Wind's out of the south after the storm we had last night. Dumped about 6 inches of snow where I live. But out here at Kewanee, a lot of big rocks. And this thing that it washed up in the past few minutes. I'm gonna take that. That's nice. All right, score. Algoma is being good to me. I got a peach marble. Common but pretty. Oh, that's awesome. I do not find these out here very often at all. Big waves, but look at the rock piles here. This is really nice for once. So, I'm amazed I found this. Sweet. All right. Look at that. That is a Big Daddy crinoid. This is probably the biggest one I've ever found now. Very cool. You can see there's a lot of debris that washed up here. And then up that way, the rock piles are crazy tall and huge. So I might be out here a while. Hopefully I'll be back. I need to find some glass. Not having really any luck aside from that marble. All right. This is gonna be a good one. Oh, wow. Awesome. It's a periwinkle cobalt blue glass. All right. This scared me big time. It's a toy turtle. I thought it was real. Oh my god, and it's squishy. Ew. I'm gonna take it though. That's really funny. Because I saw a big dead frog over there, you know, so I don't know. Alright. Hey everybody. Well, this is pretty much my last finds of the year bucket full of stuff. The weather is not in my favor to go out to the beaches at least through Christmas and possibly beyond that. The highs are forecasted to be in the lower teens to single digits. So today I made my last run out there and found some very cool stuff. Actually, and a few of these things I did find on this past Thursday, my day off of work. So, number one, of course, I'm not going to try and show it on my camera here. Biggest Uper light I have ever found. And when I do put the UV light on it, it is very, very, very cool. I couldn't believe it. And I took this on a whim. I'm like, it kind of looks like one, but you never know. And I bring a lot of rocks home like this, but never one this big. But I had a feeling, and I was right. Very cool. Yes. Going off to the side there. As far as the beach metal junk and stuff I find, I'm like, ooh, I saw this. It washed up in like this algae sludge, which I have found out is actually Cladopora. I thought that was an extinct species of algae, and it is not. That's what's plagued at least Lake Michigan, the shorelines this past, since spring. Really rough stuff. Bad. Ugh. Anyway, this I'm like, ooh, that will be like perfect for wind chimes. Yes, because there's already drilled holes in it, and it probably came off a set of somebody's sometime back in the day. Golf ball, whatever. Dime a dozen. My beach marble. It's a 3-color cat eye. Probably from the 1960s, and it's actually in really pretty good shape for being out in the lake as long as it has been. I am super happy with that. Today's find of the day, cobalt blue. Nice piece that I can make into, actually I'm going to wire wrap this for something, maybe a pendant, I don't know. But it's going to end up being wire wrapped, that's for sure. Some sort of jewelry piece. Let's see. Oh, I found this in Algoma a couple days ago. First, I thought, oh my gosh, that isn't wicked cool. And I'll say that. Lake Superior agate. Honestly, I don't think it's a Lake Superior agate. I don't know what this is. And I'll be honest about that. I don't try and pretend. If anybody knows the specific type of stone this is, the base rock, it's obviously volcanic in origin. So it is along the lines of the Lake Superior agate to me in my brain, the way I think. But I mean, the line and banding and all that just aren't quite concentric enough for me to think it's a laker. So, fun fossils here. Here's that rugosa coral. Horn coral piece. Thought it was a crinite at first. No, it is not. Some other extinct species of coral from the Great Lakes. Beautiful. Don't know what this is. I've seen it before. I found it. I have a few in my collection. Very cool. What else? Bits and remnants of beach glass. Yes, I collect these things. I know it's ridiculous. I find a purpose for everything I find, believe it or not. Oh, pottery. That's a good one. So yeah. Well, hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully, I will say again, I'll be back before the end of the year. If not, I hope everybody has a really nice holiday coming up here. Christmas and even Hanukkah. I have so many Jewish friends from back home where I grew up. Regardless, you know, it's been a crazy, wild year for me up here. And in my adventures that started in South Haven, Michigan on New Year's Day earlier this year. So here I am now, and I mean, I've gone bottle digging and mudlarking rivers and, oh my gosh, walking creeks in Tennessee and back up here again. And it's just every time I never know what I'm gonna come upon, you know, on the beaches and the rivers or in the underground. I'm so happy that I have this hobby, and that's all I want to say. So, all right. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you soon. Good night.